what you're thinking, oh, I'm gonna get so spiritual, I'm gonna get so detached, and what nobody had told you if you had not studied or researched it yourself, is that, and that's what, I mean, Carl Gustav Jung wrote about it, half a century ago. He talked about that Eastern religions, the traditions, those practices are not fit for the Western mind. So when most people are thinking meditation will get me there, detachment from my ego, killing my ego even, right? Some extremes like that will get me there. In reality, it's actually, what you need is to get involved. It's exactly the opposite. Our Western mind, if left to its own devices, would just completely be by itself, indulging in that very individualistic outlook. There's nothing wrong with it. This is why we thrive. This is why we got so far. We are big thinkers. So for us, any detachment, any meditation, any going any further away from this reality, and especially from the people, this is one of the points I will be teaching you, is how to actually understand people, how to become one with everyone. I mean, wow. But that's where the love is, and this is where your mission can become global instead of local.